In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to the internet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have fully loaded in and set up your Nintendo Switch 2. From here, we need to go to the bottom menu and scroll down until we see this gear icon that does say System Settings. Once we're over here, we want to go to the left menu and select over here where it says Internet. From here, you want to go ahead and select on internet settings. Now, what it's going to do, it is going to search for all of the internet networks within close proximity of the Nintendo Switch. So please make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is relatively close to a router. Now, it is going to give you a list of all available networks found. From here, you guys need to go ahead and find your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and find the name of your Wi-Fi really quickly in this list. Or what you guys can do is you guys can go ahead and use a wired connection. And a wired connection involves you using an Ethernet cable. And basically you connect one side of it to your Nintendo Switch 2 and the other side of it to your router. So that is 100% up to you. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and log in using one of these Wi-Fis. Alright, now once you're here, you need to go ahead and enter in your Wi-Fi password. So please make sure to go ahead and enter it in, and also be sure that all the characters are correct. You guys could also use this show entry button over here in order to see your password and just verify that you're typing it in correctly. Alright, I'll be back with you guys once I went ahead and typed it in. Alright, once you went ahead and typed in the password, it is now going to give you a screen that looks like this, and it will begin attempting to connect your system to the Wi-Fi network. So there you go. It will now say connection successful, and once you see that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on OK, and then from there, you now should be able to have Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch 2. And then from there, you guys should have a smooth experience. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.